Hello, so my name is Bradley, and in this podcast, I'm going to talk about my idea and concept, and anything has something to do with my design to you. So be prepared to hear anything further. So my design concept is remoteness momentum. As you know, the pin was organized through grid, and my floor plan should also be controlled through grid organization. As you know, ball, they move through linear when we swing the ball, so this should be happen through should be reflected to my floor plan, as my circulation also will look like linear. Okay, and then but when the ball is knocking the pin, and the pin will also knock the other pin radially. So in this phenomena, there is actually called momentum. So momentum happen when the collision between the pin and the ball and between the other pin. So as we know, momentum is involved during the collision that eventually causes the reaction, and hence the landscape which I plan to design a courtyard between an active area and passive area is to indicate the beginning of momentum, to show the reaction happening there. That is why I plan to put courtyard in the middle, in the separation between the active and the passive area. So meanwhile, for the active area consists of 3 exhibition space plus special activities and testing area. This area considered as active because it involves every human senses like accuracy, strength, cardiovascular, flexibility, and speed. So, in order to show the domino effect, which this can be seen through the series of column. So, do you know the domino effect? The domino effect is actually mean to something, a phenomena that a series of phenomena happen continuously. You know what I mean? And so, in order to add the sense of, to strengthen the sense of momentum, I plan to put like enclosed area at passive, but begin slowly to open at active area to feel the transition from one space to another space. To you know Actually, I want to show the transition, the reaction of momentum. That is the point. Actually, I make like enclosed to something open to show the transition of momentum. So, momentum, we can say that momentum has nothing to do with the dynamic, because the dynamic is about speed. But momentum, basically, I define myself about momentum. I define momentum as like a collision, and it's about a reaction after the collision. It almost like transition actually. Okay, so yeah, that is my definition towards of momentum. And again, as you know, when we plan to design an enclosed area, it is like very dark, right? So from enclosed to open, it shows like from dark to light, to show the transition, to show the openness things. Yeah, something like that. Something has to do with the momentum. Something, to show the reaction, to show transition of the momentum. Okay, so in order to add the what they call the philosophy of momentum, I plan to put like a a reflexology path at the circulation is to evoke the feel of collide between food and the stone. Yeah, something like that, because when our foot is tapped on the stone, it actually um, evoke the sense of momentum, since momentum has something to do with the collision, right? Yeah, something like that. So I guess that's all from me. Okay, hope you enjoy.